Seahawks. With that, let's get up to Seattle. Standing by at CenturyLink Field, here are Brandon Godden and Charles Davis.
It is loud and it is wet here, Coach, as we welcome you inside CenturyLink Field on a patented rainy afternoon in Seattle, Washington. Nothing like the fanfare of introductions to an NFL game, and that was in evidence a moment ago. Fireworks, pyrotechnics, you name it. This crowd is ready as their guys get set to match up between the San Francisco 49ers and the Seattle Seahawks. With Charles Davis, as always, I'm Brandon Gaudin. And Charles, you talk about storylines in this one. I think it begins and ends with our two quarterbacks, certainly two of the best in the business.
And nowadays, I don't think you can get by for long periods of time without a top-flight quarterback. The way the game is played, with all the responsibility he has and how the game flows through him, if he's not on the top of his game, your team's not going to benefit at all.
Ready! 50, plant, blue draw, Porker. We begin to...
On first down, it's Coleman. Fights forward for only about a yard up to the 21. Second and 9 now from the 21.
Shakedown. It's the shakedown, right? Yeah. X3, 218, chop. Now.
Second and 9 now. Steps away to his left. Well, this is taken in. It's complete. A gain of 28 yards there and given the first down. And the young buck showing that ability, that agility to dance outside of the pocket, complete the deep ball.
And don't think for a second that the coaching staff didn't have their heart rate accelerate a little bit there, right? Anytime you have those young quarterbacks and they get outside of the pocket, you're just hoping that they make good decisions because so many things can happen that can go wrong when you throw it downfield like that. He got away with it there and in a big way.
Now, we know this offense has the potential to strike quickly, and they just bit off two huge plays on back-to-back snaps.
So on the other side of the ball, you've got to go back to brother's thought process. No one left behind. No pointing fingers, no accusations. Because if you don't, those quick strikes we just saw, they become long-lasting.
61, matchbox lights. 56, Bravo.
You get tired of seeing me.
And go.
Looking to throw. Forced out to his left. His throw incomplete. N'Keal Harry was the intended target, and it's third down.
I don't think either one of us is surprised about who they just targeted on that one. I mean, they're going to try and get to him as much as possible. Off to a nice start, but unable to haul that one in.
Yeah, already looked his way a couple of times on this opening drive. Can't connect there.
Greystone travel. Hey, Haywood! Big grip!
Back to throw. Being chased out left. That is caught inside the 5. And he doesn't quite make it, taking it within an eyelash. Dropped at the 1. They're able to convert on third down, and that sets up a first and goal. They'll drop the throw. Looking end zone, but it's incomplete. George Kittle, the receiver that he was looking for. But it'll be second and goal. Another shot from the run on second and goal. They'll let the shorter back Perkins run it. And he is met in his tracks behind the line of scrimmage. Officially, it will go as a 1-yard loss, and that's going to lead to a third down. They'll look to throw. To his left. Back of the end zone. Could he get his feet down? No, it's incomplete. Boy, such a good drive. You'd hate to have it end in 3. Do you think about going for it?
Absolutely. I mean, the fact that they've moved the ball so well should lead you to the decision that maybe we should go for it right here.
Set up. 90 Wolf. Protein spill. You Ready?
They'll come out throwing here to start the drive. He's letting this one go for Fuller. That's caught at the 25.
Faster!
A big play there for the Niners. 53 yards. Every defensive staff harps on limiting explosive plays. Job not so well done there.
Yeah, they talk about it all the time. A lot harder to stop, though, isn't it? And when you think of an explosive play, most often...
That is caught by the tight end, Kittle. Touchdown, 49ers.
Touchdown, baby!
George Kittle, his third touchdown now on the year. And the Niners are able to stretch their lead. And he moved left there, Charles. Little danger play. He didn't throw toward that left side, went over the middle. Got the 6, though.
Yeah, he seems like the type of guy that when you told him as a kid, don't touch the stove because it might be hot, he took...
Here we go. 10-2 saw. Recon, 132 fighter. Shoot.
They'll run on first down. Perkins. And they're able to get this one across the 35.
Hey, let's go.
The drive starting with a first down, 11 yards on that pickup. So from the 36 now, first and 10.
80 weapons.
Now back to throw. Now he'll dump it underneath to his running back, complete. And this will be stopped at the 44. That one good for 7 yards. It's a gain of 7, and it'll make it second down.
And a nice gain and a broken tackle along the way, and really we shouldn't be surprised, should we? That's what runners do, especially the best ones. They break tackles and gain extra yardage.
They'll set up to throw. Over the middle to Kittle, complete. And he takes this one down almost all the way to the 30. This quarterback now 7 of 10 here in this first half, and he's got a first and 10. Now Perkins. This will be stopped about 2 yards shy of the marker. 8-yard gain, second and 2.
Check. Pilot, 64, weak.
Second and 2. That is caught at the 7. And they work this near the 5. He'll be stopped at the 6. Second quarter action with 1:59 remaining. And we remind you, coming up at the half, we'll join, who, Charles?
The coach.
The coach, Jonathan Coachman, standing by in Orlando. He'll have stats and scores from games in progress, as well as scores from earlier today. So, we get slap happy up here sometimes. And a minuscule gain of maybe a yard from the 6 to the 5. And the ball smacked down on the 5-yard line. Here's second and goal.
Brings up second and goal.
No. X3, 218, chopper. Hit it.
And across the goal line, into the end zone, touchdown 49ers. It's their quarterback with touchdown number 2 in the game and now 11 on the year. And the Niners are able to stretch their lead. And maybe that was just a case of completely overlooking the guy holding the football.
It certainly felt like it, didn't it? Because on my checklist, okay, as a defender...
Ready.
56 the mic, boys. 56. Check 56. There's your party now.
22 jet bomber.
Well, indeed, trying to run it out as they start on the ground. And he'll be brought down somewhat awkwardly here, and a late flag as well. I think this one's going to be a face mask. Well, we looked at each other right away. We knew that flag was coming out.
And I always enjoy the conversation post, because officials always tell you, I don't want to throw the flag, but you caused the play. You did it. I had to.
Bang, bang. Watch out.
Ready.
And they'll toss it out to Perkins. And he's going to lose yardage. Not that it matters as the final seconds tick away. So we've hit halftime. Just a field goal separating these two teams at the break. As we'll send you back over to Orlando with our EA Sports Halftime Report, here's Jonathan Coachman.
All right, Brandon, we'll get back to you guys in a bit. But first, time for a trip around the league on this final weekend of September. We'll start by heading out west. State Farm Stadium in Glendale. And as you see, they were winners back on Thursday night. 24-8, the final score. Next, we'll head east to Cincinnati to check in on the Bengals at home at Paul Brown Stadium. And at this point, they trail the visiting Baltimore Ravens. 2 touchdown passes there for Lamar Jackson. Lastly, let's get to Pittsburgh. Check on the Steelers at home at Heinz Field. And that game's all tied up as they play the visiting Jaguars. Meanwhile, in our game, no shortage of offense as each team has been able to move the ball effectively. Will the defenses show up in the second half? To find out, we give it back to our commentators, Brandon Godden and Charles Davis.
Go, 8, read. 61, matchbox, lights. Hey, box truck, box truck. Hey, let's get this. Get it.
They'll come out throwing here on first down. The tight end Kittle has it on the left side.
His position, and he's listed as a tight end, but he certainly doesn't run like one, and that's what we're seeing more and more coming into the league. Those guys who can run, make plays after the catch, and gain that additional yardage.
And using that speed there to turn it into a pretty nice little gain. Second down and inches. Looking left side, and he's got him in. It's 4. And he'll be taken down, but not before he gets into enemy territory. The catch and run, good for 18 and a first down. Catch number 100 for his career right there, and it's good enough to keep the chains moving.
He's tired of you. He's tired of us.
Mike 50.
They're looking for him now on first down. And that is incomplete. He couldn't hold on through the contact. Brings up second down.
You get a tight end like this, and you know he's used to dishing out punishment, but here, he's one that has to absorb the contact, and as a result, unable to hold on to the football.
So after the incompletion on first, now second and 10.
56. Mike, 56. Right there, 56.
Hey, Delta.
56 is Mike. 56 is the Mike. I'm going to run you over. Go.
Second and 10. I was going to let this go for the end zone. And it's complete. In the end zone, touchdown 49ers. N'Keal Harry, his 5th touchdown now on the year. And the Niners are able to stretch their lead. And they use that height on the outside to get the score.
We've seen the evolution of the wide receivers. They've gotten taller and taller, but they've retained their quickness and their speed. It's a lethal combination.
Always good to have wide receivers with height.
Let's go now. 60 outlaw.
56.
Roll out. 6-6. Bullet.
On first down, Coleman. And he'll wind up with about 6, up past the 30 to the 31.
Go.
They'll come up now second and 4 from the 31.
Mike's 56. Nice, sweetheart.
Second and 4.
Hey, Echo.
31-yard line.
Echo.
Second and 4. Throw left side, complete to Harry.
Holding offense.
That's a good chunk of yardage. It's going to be canceled out.
And we always talk about hidden yardage in a game. That's going to count as that because now it doesn't go on the books, but now they have to make that up again, don't they?
Now they face a second and long following the holding penalty.
Protein spill. Lead grip.
Now they'll throw here out of the gun. He's going to loft one deep left side here. And that will be incomplete. Trying to dial up the long way out there, but it'll be third down. An incomplete pass on that last play, and that means they'll need to come up with something here on third down.
He's coming. We got double up. Switch.
5.
He'll look to throw. And they're going to get this beyond the 40 before he's taken down. A well-executed 22-yard gain. So with a yardage on that completion, he's now right at exactly 300 yards on the game.
And isn't that the magic number you get? All right, 300. That means it's going to go on a commemorative football to put on your mantle when they give you the game ball if your team wins. So much confidence flowing through him right now, throwing the football. I think it's permeated itself throughout the entire team. They feel good about what they're doing.
In the first half, he was held in check on the ground, but despite that lack of production, they still have the lead.
And they've got to feel fortered about that. If they could actually get production from their lead horse, that would help open up this offense and widen this margin, too.
Here's 2nd and 8. Throw left side, it's reeled in by Hamilton. 8 yards on the completion, but now they face 3rd down. And quickly, they get to the line.
General West. Hey, exit. Pilot, 64, weak.
Back now in Seattle, Washington. It's 49er football here. They've got the lead as well as we get set to start the 4th and final quarter.
Ready.
They had a catch on 2nd down, but it didn't help at all. And now they're looking at 3rd down here.
Check.
Ready.
Back to throw here. Got his man. That's Harry. Touchdown, 49ers. N'Keal Harry with his 2nd TD of the game, his 6th on the year. And the Niners are able to stretch their lead.
In order to lead in a game, you're going to get plenty of contributors, but that's his 2nd touchdown catch of this game. He's one of the key guys in this one.
And you better believe he'll be looking for the hat trick here as this one continues to go.
Set, ready, 50, plant.
Let's set a tone, fellas. Let's set a tone.
Watch twitch.
Get it.
They'll run on 1st down. It's Coleman. And he's going to get a good gain of 9 here up to the 34.
Faster.
Maybe a good spot to take a shot. You're 2nd and a yard from the 34.
You think you're
Hey,
Alpha.
You think you gonna get this? Switch it. Come on, switch it. 56 and
2nd and 1. And his throw is incomplete.
When I watched that play, I thought about what my coaches had told me in the past. The biggest teaching point, get your head around it. Locate the football so you can make a play on it while it's in the air. That's exactly what he did there. That was nice.
Hey, do.
56. Mike's 56.
No game on
Now.
They'll look to throw here. He sets to fire deep. That's caught inside the 20. And he is down deep into Seattle territory. A big play there for the Niners. 52 yards.
Couldn't just sit on it here, could they? Had to throw the ball on 3rd down. Got the big completion in the pickup. Fresh set of downs. Now they got to feel great.
And defensively a backbreaker. And he's taken down at the 7 after a gain of 7. They're going to get 7 on that 1st down pass play. 2nd and 3.
Based on Travis.
56. Mike, 56. Right there. 56. Here we go. 56 to Mike.
Hey, high 7.
2nd and 3. And he hauls it in the end zone. Touchdown, San Francisco. N'Keal Harry there to make the grab. And the Niners are able to stretch their lead. And there's going to be a stoppage here. The booth wants to take another look at this potential touchdown.
On the ready.
52. Block 52. 52's the mic. Let's go. Let's get this ball back for the offense. Let's go. Check 26. Check 26.
6-6. Bullet hop. Now go.
On first down, it's Perkins. And they get him down after a pickup of 8, 2nd and 2. Now the Seahawks going to use the first of their timeouts as they'll talk things over prior to this upcoming second down play. So they come up on second down, and they can get another run like we just saw. They'll likely put an end to this thing. And he's going to have the hook up here with Harry. Now the Seahawks call the second of their 3 timeouts, and they'll be disappointed to have to burn one there after giving up the first down. It's 1st and goal and a late touchdown at this stage. Could officially salt this one away.
They still playing soccer.
Hey, orbit.
They're playing the wrong football.
Switch. Switch. 52's the mic, boys. 52. Here we go.
Five.
Now it looks like he'll throw here to the end zone, but it's incomplete.
When you got your backs in the shadow of your goal line, you've got to be physical in that situation because there's not a whole lot of space, not a lot of wild plays that can be run there.
That's put up or shut up time. Defensively, nice job just to make sure they didn't complete it on that play. Here's a 2nd and 7. And this is caught. And that could seal it. It's a touchdown.
Well, it'd be real easy to say that they are firmly in control right now, but I'm looking at your face and I'm thinking I've got to be careful with that.
Well, it's a 2-score game. You're inside of 2 minutes. I think you can breathe relatively easily now.
Yeah, you can, but still, you got to stay vigilant. Can't give up anything cheap and easy. That could put you in some jeopardy.
Got it.
Mike 5-2. Mike 5-2. Strip the ball. Strip that ball.
Down to a knee for the 49ers. This one about to be on ice. And now with 6 seconds remaining, they're going to burn their final timeout.
Ready.
Spike 56. Go. Go.
Ready.
And they will take a knee here. Charles, it's one thing to win. It's another thing to win and put up the amount of points that they did. Boy, were they clicking on offense.
They can't help but feel great about themselves, can they? I mean, what a game to put up that number of points, continually feeling they're moving the ball and things are working and clicking. They think that they can bottle this and carry it with them.
And as an offensive coordinator, you just don't think you can do anything wrong. Whatever you call, run, pass, it's all going to work.
That's called being in the zone.
So for the Niners, they finish a perfect month of September as they move to 4-0 on the new campaign. And they will head back home next week. Meanwhile, for the Seahawks, they'll drop down to 1-3. And they'll get a chance to redeem themselves at home next week. And for Charles Davis and our entire crew here at EA Sports, I'm Brandon Gaudin saying so long, everybody.